Well, hey folks, how you doing? An after dinner cook today, a little windy. Got the Char Broil, big easy smoker roaster grill out there. And I found these at the grocery store today. Steakhouse onion seasoned grillers. And when you think of steakhouse, what do you think of? You think of steak, right? Yeah, this is a pork product. So, we're gonna get them out of the box, get the Char Broil, big easy smoker roaster grill all fired up. And oh man, I'm getting hungry. All right, so there they are out of the box. The first thing you can smell is the onions. The project I'm on, I've got a couple projects, but the one project I'm on right now has a food truck, most of the days parked out front, and all you can smell is fried onions. And I just crave stuff with onions. So when I saw Steakhouse onion seasoned, I said, oh man, and there appears to be real chunks of onion in there. So I am really, my mouth is watering. This is a pork product, so to be serious here for just a second, make sure you cook it to 160 Fahrenheit internal. And we're gonna put these on the Big Easy Smoker Roaster Grill. And I actually got some, did you know that King's Hawaiian made hamburger buns? Oh yeah, they're really good too. So let's get them on the grill. All right, folks, just Steakhouse onion burgers have been on for about maybe 5 minutes. Let's take a quick look at them. Oh man, I don't know if they're ready to flip yet. We'll just take a look, see. Oh yeah, they are ready to flip. Nice. Very nice. Cool. Keep on going here. Give you a look, see once they're plated up. Oh man, I'm getting hungry. Oh man, there you have it. Oh, I'll tell you what. Let's just take a taste test. Pickles, homemade pickles, and some ketchup. Oh man. I took too big of a, oh man. That's very good. Tom Horseman YouTube. Folks, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and as always, appreciate you watching. Thank you.